Good morning students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to understand how sex determination in honeybee occurs. Sex determination refers to how a male sex and a female sex is formed in honeybee. It is said to be haplodiplontic in nature. What is haplodiplontic sex determination? Honeybee, in a honeycomb, you will find three types of individuals. First, a queen. Usually queen will be single, bigger in size, and if the number of individuals in the colony increases, in order to divide the colony, she will produce one more queen. Otherwise, only one queen will be there. Queen is considered as diploid, which indicates she will be having two set of chromosomes. Second one, male. Male is called drone. Drones will be having haploid set of chromosome as it is indicated here. So since female is diploid, male is haploid, sex determination is said to be haplodiplontic in nature. Whereas if you compare it with the humans, males are diploid, females are also diploid. One more individuals are known as worker bees. Worker bees are also females. Since they are female, they have diploid set of chromosome. But what is the difference between a queen and a worker bee is role of queen. Queen is a fertile, which means she can lay egg, whereas worker bees are considered as sterile. They cannot lay egg. How a queen can produce male and female? Let us understand with the help of crossing. Female, her diploid number, she will be having 32 chromosomes. Male will be having, since male is haploid, only 16 chromosomes. Female, through meiosis, because during gamete formation meiosis only should occur, 2n becomes n. She will produce egg or a gamete. Gamete is egg with 16 chromosomes. If this egg is not fertilized also, what is meant by not fertilized? If it doesn't get fused with the sperm or a male gamete, without fertilization also, the egg can develop into a new individual. Since 16 chromosomes are there in the egg, it will develop into 16 chromosomed drone. So without fertilization, formation of new individual is called parthenogenesis. What type of parthenogenesis it is? It is called arentoky. What is arentoky? Through parthenogenesis, individual formed is male. If male is formed, that is arentoky. Let us check how the male is. Male is having only 16 chromosome. It is N. So not possible to undergo meiosis. It will undergo equational division, mitosis. Through mitosis, there will be production of a sperm or a male gamete with 16 chromosome. Its role is sperm will fertilize the egg. Now where the fertilization occurs? During the mating between queen and the drone, queen will be storing male gametes from the sperm inside her. Also, she will be producing egg inside her. During fertilization, sperm and egg will be fused there. So, if the fertilization occurs between sperm and egg, it will result in the formation of 32 celled individual. 32 as soon as comes, it will be a female. Now there are two types of female. As I said, usually female formed will be a sterile worker female with 32 chromosome. But when the queen will be formed, if the colony size is very big, in order to divide the colony, during the fertilization, there will be formation of larva from the egg. These larvae are fed by a special substance known as royal jelly. Any one larva, that larva which gets royal jelly, it will develop into a fertile female. As a result, in the colony, a new female is born, and that new female, when she leaves the colony, along with her many other members of the colony will go. So that's how size of the colony is reduced. Now one more important thing we'll have to understand is male. In this case, if you observe this, you consider this male. Male has developed directly from the female without any father. So males or a drone don't have any father, but so they cannot have any son also. Why? Look at here, male have developed directly from one queen will be there. That queen's egg has developed into male, and so they cannot have father, thus they cannot have son also. Son can be developed only through parthenogenesis. Male can only have daughters, that is the meaning. Another statement, males have grandfather and can have grandson. What does this mean? Consider this is a grandson. Grandson has come from a queen. Okay. How queen got formed? Queen is having two sets of chromosomes, one from male, one from female. That means queen had a father who had donated the male gamete. So this father of queen is a grandfather for the drone, this particular drone. So grandfather can have grandson, grandson can have grandfather, but a male cannot have son, male can only have worker bee. I hope this concept is clear. Important topic for NEET also. Thank you for watching.